When everything moves faster, how do you turn digital ambition into real value? Ideas move fast, results don't always follow. This is where the new ITIL comes in, the common language that turns knowledge into real-world action, driving growth. Practical to apply from day one so that teams turn strategy into measurable outcomes and create value that lasts. This is the new ITIL, the global best practice framework for digital product and service management, built on the trust of millions of professionals and over 50,000 organizations, powering 82% of the Fortune 500 for IT service management, and now expanding for every role, for every organization, large and small, for all. ITIL, the language of growth. Do you speak ITIL?